39? All right, so let's review that volume from yesterday. What was my formula? Area of the base times the height. That's all it was. Okay, so what is my radius of this cylinder? 10. So my area is 100 pi times 5 gives us 500. Yeah, and we're just going to leave that as 500 pi inches cubed when we do this. Frug, I know yesterday's, or on your quiz, I think it was, you multiplied that out and you shouldn't be. Okay, we've talked extensively about leaving that as pi. Right? Yes. All right, so here, it says the volume is 168. What's the height? Okay, so we've got 168 equals the area of the base times the height, right? What is my area of my base? Who? 21. Yep, because 7 times 3, my base is 7 times 3. So 168 equals 21x. Divide that out. 8 feet. Okay. All right. So today, we are doing prisms and cones. Okay. It is the same thing as when we were doing prisms and cylinders, only if you take pyramids and you try to fit them into a prism, you can fit 3 of them in there. Okay? So, it is 1/3 area of the base times the height. Okay? Be very careful. Okay, volume, we're using height. Surface area, we used slant height. Okay, so be careful. We've got some pretty sweet little comics in this section. I know. Area of my base. 20 feet squared. What's my height? I know, yep. No, they're going to put you on top. Okay, what's my height? 6. So we're taking 20 times 6, and then we got to divide it by 3. 40. So we're going 40 feet cubed is my deal, because it's 1/3 area of the base. So you could multiply them all and then multiply by 1/3. So it's 1/3 times 20 times 6. But in your calculator, it's easier to go 20 times 6, hit enter, and then divide by 3. Okay? It's easier to do it that way in your calculator. Okay? Area of my base. This is where a lot of us get screwed up. When we have triangles as our base, what do you have to do with that triangle? Divide by 2. So 7 times 6 is 42. Divide it by 2, you get, so the area of my base is 21 meters squared. My height is 8. So take 21 times 8, hit enter, divide it by 3. 56 meters cubed. Okay, same thing. Do we need to do a couple more? Or can we jump to the cones? Okay, cones, exact same thing. Only, what do you have to include when you're dealing with a cone? Pi, because you're dealing with a circle. Okay? I know. All right. Because they've changed, because it used to be a food pyramid, and now it's a food circle. Like they say, like 30% is supposed to be like bread and stuff, and so since circles deal with pyramids, like a circular pyramid is a cone. Okay, it's not as cool when you have to explain it. All right, what's the area of my base? 64 pi. Do not forget your pi. Okay, what is my height? 12. So this is the same thing. 1/3. So take your 64 times your 12. Divide it by 3. 256 pi centimeters cubed. Okay, careful. I know, Elijah, you're putting centimeters pi cubed. Make sure that it's 256 pi and then centimeters cubed. Pi. You can, but I'm okay with just 64 pi. Okay, this one, it gives us what? Slant height. What do we need? We need regular height. So if we're going to solve that, we've got h squared plus 9 equals 25, right? So subtract your 9, h squared equals 16, so my height is 4. Okay, area of my base is 9 pi. Get used to just saying 9 pi, okay? Because the area is not 9. The area is 9 pi. Okay, be careful. So my volume is 1/3 times 9 pi times 4. Yep, so take your 9 times your 4. Then divide by 3, we get 12 pi inches cubed. Okay? Be careful. Sometimes on your worksheet today, it's going to ask for volume and for surface area. So you're going to have to pull that surface area formula out in order to be able to do that.